howdy. Today has been, it's been alright. I was up pretty early this morning, still just taking care of homework stuff. Finally went through my emails. I got an email from Vicky. I love you too. I'm sorry, I'm as you can tell from the fact that I read it at 1 in the morning, I'm not doing great with my sleep schedule. But it was nice hearing from you. Let's see. I had my classes. Those went alright. A few hours later. Then, the lectures were the lectures. Kind of whatever. My lab today, because I had my biology lab, we took leaf samples from the alfalfa plants that they grow as part of their, long-term study. And we set them up for 2 different tests that we'll do later. One is, DNA sampling, and the other... Oh, there's actually people down here. 1 second. And we're back. I think he's calling someone, or he's, repeating some kind of, comedy routine. It doesn't matter. Anyway, so, biology. It was sampling from the alfalfa, and we split into 2 subgroups. One of them set up the slices of leaves. Man, it's nice having these little lights because I can just put them wherever, but I don't want to stay anywhere, and all the good angles are above my head so that, there aren't these dark undertones like I'm telling you a scary story. And so it's hard to find a good spot for these. Anyways, the other half, and the half that I did, was slicing up the leaves and putting them into, a petri dish with, I can't even remember the term, but it's like a cell food. And so it will make the fungi that grows inside of the leaves spread out so that we can get samples from that. Because fungi grows basically within the leaves and stem of most plants. I'm trying to think. After that, I did a little bit of homework, and then I had work proper, and it was like a half hour. They had me come in a half hour earlier than I did yesterday, and so every time I went and checked the time, I was always off by a half hour, and I got to the very end, and I'm exhausted, and I'm like, man, we were here for so long, and I look at the time, and it's the same time I got up before, so it's only been an extra half hour, but it just felt like forever. But I got that taken care of finally, and now I'm out here recording. Oh, I got some muffins from it. Some of the people, they brought in some of the muffins and whatnot that weren't eaten, and so I set those to the side and then we divvied them up and put them on plates and whatnot. So I've got that plate of muffins, or technically it's 2 plates that are saran wrapped together so they don't leave crumbs everywhere. But yeah, I've got a plate of muffins for breakfast tomorrow, which is cool. Tomorrow is going to be a little bit interesting. I'm not 100% sure if I have classes or if it's our next lab. I think it's another lecture tomorrow. But the lab homework from that class is due soon. But after that, I have a 7-hour shift. Most of my shifts have been 4 hours, so almost double because someone else needed to drop the hours, and so I was asked if I could come in, and I looked at my schedule and I went, well, I don't have anything else. Most of that time will either be spent doing homework or basically nothing at all, so I might as well come in and then, be done by 7, including having had dinner, and then I can work from there. So I will be in for a very long shift tomorrow. I think that covers everything for today. Just get back, maybe do some kind of dinner thing, because I was there till closing, so I didn't get a dinner proper. A work proper, whatever. I didn't have dinner, so I'll probably get back and make something, probably have a muffin, and then do a little bit of homework, and then hopefully go to bed at a slightly reasonable time so that I'm functional in the morning. Either way, I will see you all tomorrow. I love you. Bye-bye.